This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by dananelson. End of road tranquility with Lake Nottely frontage. Build your dream home on 4.51 combined acre gentle, rolling lots, in the COVE of the upscale 1300 subdivision. Year-round long-range mountain views. Water frontage, 158 feet. Elegant country Blue Ridge mountain living. Enjoy Lake Nottely boat ramp and dock with multiple slips, stables, pasture, luxurious pool and clubhouse, gated entrance, wide roads, underground utilities, fiber optics and the pristine mountain lake surroundings. Easy access to Highway 515, Blairsville and Blue Ridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745-3500.